Hi, I'm Jean-François O'Kane. I'm the studio coach. Welcome on behalf of Aurora to this instructional and training DVD. You will see in review most products, all my preferred products, and all products that you should try. As a photographer, we always try to reproduce the best light, the light of the day. But very often in our studio, there's no light. Or it's better off to make it ourselves. But the inspiration to do that light and to reproduce it comes from daylight. And this is where Aurora light is at its best. It is a pure light, pure white, repeatable, a light that you can trust. So let's go together on a journey to discover Aurora Light Bank flashes and light unit. This will be the sequence on the Assembling Your New Fusion Plus RF Flash. It is the same assembly schedule for the 300 and the 600 watts per second flash. When this is all that you receive in the box that is right here, you will be unpacking your unit. Make sure not to bump it. Throw away all little bags. Keep your unit flat, inspect for no damage, and we will assemble the handle. The handle will be assembled on the side of the flash and with the mechanism here under the flash itself. You will see where it is under by the Aurora sign on side, and this will go here. Just watch. Here there are two of these discs. I remove only one and leave one under. So the handle goes on top here. And in the same order, the disc, the holding piece here. And the holding piece, I will show you exactly, there's a place to put it. There's a washer and there's the handle here. And the holding piece here, there is a hole that goes here, and this will go inside of the hole when we screw it on. Now the handle is installed, and we can move it or we can block it. Now for the installation of the modeling lamp. Remove the cap. Under you have the flash tube. This is a modular flash tube that can be removed by going gently. There are 3 pins and 3 holes here to make sure that it will go back in the good direction. So place the flash tube safely. You will now be installing the modeling lamp. The modeling lamp itself comes in a plastic bag. You should never touch the modeling lamp with your hands. It has to stay in the plastic pouch, and this is how you will install the modeling lamp. Directly in the holes here, never touching it. If you touch it, this lamp will burn within 5 minutes of being on. You return the flash tube on. Here, using the 3 holes. You push the flash tube in, and you may use a lens cleaning tissue to make sure that the tube is clean, and we are ready to use the flash. The accessories are clip-on, so there is a rim on the side of the accessory that will fit under the holding fingers here that are activated by the lever here. So 1, 2, so it is held in place by the little fingers. To remove it, just push completely and pull forward. This is how accessories will be installed on your Fusion RF. When you carry them, please make sure that you put back your carrying cover to be sure not to touch the flash tube. In the back, you have the electrical power plug and the camera synchronization outlet. Now let's see how it works. The Fusion Plus RF flashes are among the most powerful in the Aurora line. They are available in 300 and 600 watts per second. I say powerful because they have an incredible recycle time. They recycle so fast, they are so powerful and repeatable. Each flash will be exact to the preceding flash. Let me show you how they operate. You can operate it by the back panel or by the remote control that takes over all the flash and all its control. From the back panel, the flash will be turned on by the power switch. You select which feature you want to adjust. The power, having more power. You can adjust the modeling lamp so it is more powerful or less powerful, and you can even adjust it to be full or sync. That means to follow the power of the flash itself. If you want to see, you have two flashes and you want to see the one is brighter, the other one is less bright because of the power that is stronger or less strong on one. Here you can adjust the slave. If you want this flash to be triggered when it sees another flash or not, and we can set the alarm to be audible or visual. If there's a visual alarm, the lamp will turn off while the flash is recharging. If we put the alarm on sound, then when we do a test, there's a little beep that sounds as long as the flash is not recycled. You may take over all the control of the flash by the remote control here. This unit has been programmed as channel 2. It just turned on now, and I will be able to adjust the power, and you see that the control takes over on the flash, adjusting the power. If I can go to adjust the modeling lamp, I will change mode here and put the slave on or off for that single unit, and I will turn the alarm on or off from a distance. So I take over all that flash from the remote, and I can also control up to 7 flashes from the remote control. The Aurora Unilever Pro or Fusion Pro is, according to me, the best series available in the market. There's a 300 watts per second, a 600, and a 1200 watts per second. They are all digitally controlled. They all have the modular flash tube, all the strong and powerful modeling lamp. They will accept all the Aurora accessories, softboxes, umbrellas, reflectors of all type. Let's see how it works. This is the fourth member of the Pro family. This is the Boom Flash. Its characteristic, it is made in two parts. The generator that is here, that accepts the electricity, that can control on and off and all the power setting, and by this cable goes up to the flash head that is at the other end of the flash boom. It is also the flash that we use for the REFA box. Full characteristic, and for me, what I think is incredible, there's one button for each function. So it is very easy to operate. On, off. Here is the modeling lamp manual dimmer. Here is the synchronization hole for the camera. This is where you will plug the wire between the flash and your camera. And this is the electrical input. Here is the magic eye to see when another flash is flashing to activate the slave setting on this flash. The incredible characteristic of this flash is its ability to work at 5 watts, which is an incredibly low on the market. Going up will be in increments up to the maximum of each flash, this one being 300 watts per second. When you go down, one characteristic of this flash, when you go down, it will auto dump. That means the next flash I will be doing with that unit will be at the right power. The test button allow me to do an open flash. That means to test the flash whenever I need it. The modeling lamp will go from full to proportional, allowing me to go here on the dimmer from full again to full all the time and full to 0 in proportional. The slave allow me to set this flash to wait for another flash to flash to do its flash at the same time, and there's an audible or visual alarm that will tell me when the flash is ready. Let's go to maximum power. We do a flash and you hear an alarm that tells me that the flash is not ready. When I turn the alarm off, you will see the flash, the modeling lamp going off until the flash is ready. It's a very short time because it is a very, very powerful generator. So these are the characteristics of the Unilever Pro, from 5 watts to the maximum power of each flash. That means from 5 to 300, from 5 to 600, and from 5 to 1200, which is an incredible achievement for a flash of these values. But remember, for me, the most important point about the Pro series is the 5 watt possibility. That means going down to 5 watt is very often necessary in the digital world. So just imagine 5 watt to 1200 in the same unit. This is an incredible achievement. In this setup, I'm using 2 lights. There's a medium softbox behind here, sending an even light all across the wall. And here I have one light with the honeycomb grid. It is the smallest honeycomb grid. It's about 10-degree angle, sending just a beam of light here that will wrap and surround the subject like a spotlight, and the rest of the room will not be completely dark due to the softbox. It's a variation of the Hollywood effect. Here is the Aurora Unilever Pro 600 that is in two parts. The generator is here and the head is hooked by this wire and free here. It has two great advantages. It can be used on a boom like you see here, and there's a very light head at the end. It can also be used this part as a counterweight. I'm using a separate counterweight. I like to have this to give some weight to my tripod, giving some stability. This is 600 watts and can go from 5 watts to 600 watts in small half-stop increment. It is an incredible machine. I use it for portrait, for special effect, like in this case here. It is equipped with a honeycomb grid. I am doing a Hollywood type portrait, and this is the best lamp to work for special effects. You will also see this unit in the Rifa box that it's in the clip that just will follow this one. Turn a bit, turn toward there. Turn the whole girl, yeah, that's good. Yes. Come back to me, yeah, look here, yes. There. Increase the shadow. Just maybe turn a bit your shoulder and move a bit there to be in the stream of light. Move the whole girl there, no, good. Here. Yes. Yeah, hoodie girl. Look at this. Oh yes. 3 pictures to go. 2. That's it.